Cloud gaming is revolutionizing the gaming industry by allowing players to stream games directly to their devices without the need for expensive and high end hardware. Instead of relying on powerful consoles or gaming PCs, players can access and play games on a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and low spec computers through the internet. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The top cloud gaming services are: number 1, Google Stadia. Stadia is Google's cloud gaming platform that allows users to stream games in high resolution with minimal latency. It offers a growing library of games and can be accessed via Chrome browsers, Chromecast, and compatible Android devices. Number 2, NVIDIA GeForce Now. GeForce Now enables players to stream their exciting game libraries from platforms like Steam, Epic Games Store, and Ubisoft Connect. NVIDIA's service focuses on providing high performance streaming, making it possible to play demanding games even on modest hardware. Number 3, Xbox Cloud Gaming, formerly Project X Cloud. Part of Microsoft's Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription, Xbox Cloud Gaming allows users to stream a large selection of Xbox games to their devices. This service integrates seamlessly with Xbox consoles and Windows PCs, offering gamers the flexibility to play wherever they are. Cloud gaming lowers the barriers to entry for gaming, enabling more people to enjoy high quality gaming experiences without investing in expensive hardware. With this, players can switch between devices without losing progress. Games are streamed directly from the cloud, so players don't have to wait for downloads or updates before jumping into a game. Streaming high resolution games can consume significant amounts of data, which might be a concern for users with limited data plans. Unlike the traditional game purchases, cloud gaming often operates on a subscription or rental model, which may affect game availability and ownership. Cloud gaming is democratizing access to gaming by making it possible for more people to enjoy high quality games virtually on any device. As internet infrastructure improves and more services enter the market, cloud gaming is likely to become an increasingly important part of the gaming landscape, offering both convenience and flexibility to gamers worldwide. Let's look into today's headline. OpenAI to allow corporates customize its most powerful AI model. A new feature released by OpenAI will let corporate customers use their own company data to customize the artificial intelligence startup's most powerful model, GPT-4o. The move comes as startups face rising competition for their AI products for business. OpenAI plans to roll out the customization capability known as fine tuning that will allow existing AI models to be trained on additional information about a particular sort of task or subject area. NVIDIA is linking Xbox accounts to GeForce Now to automatically sign in to games. NVIDIA will soon let users link an Xbox account to its GeForce Now streaming service to enable automatic sign in for supported games. Starting on August 22nd, with the new account linking feature, users will only need to sign in and link an Xbox profile once so that it's stored for all future GeForce Now sessions. NVIDIA first started rolling out access to PC Game Pass and Microsoft Store titles on GeForce Now last year. Meta launches app for its Quest headsets for HDMI connection. Meta has launched an app for the Quest 3, Quest 2, and Quest Pro models, enabling users to use their VR headsets as a screen for HDMI or DisplayPort equipped devices. The app, called Meta Quest HDMI Link, expands the functionality of the Quest headsets and offers a viewing experience from other devices on a large virtual screen. Meta further noted that using MetaQuest HDMI Link is not as straightforward as AirLink. KPMG in India partners with Zscaler to help organizations deal with cyber risks. KPMG in India and Zscaler have announced the launch of a strategic alliance to jointly provide zero trust principle aligned data security services to customers in India. KPMG in India will be delivering a unified technology solution which would enable them to consolidate and simplify their cloud security operations for customers. The alliance combines Zscaler Zero Trust Exchange platform capabilities with leading transformational advisory capabilities and digital trust services provided by KPMG in India. Qualcomm announces the new Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 mobile platform. Qualcomm Technologies has introduced the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 mobile platform, building on the 7 series momentum of bringing enhanced capabilities to more users. The new platform offers on device generative AI capabilities with support for LLMs, including Baichuan 7B, Llama 2 at 1B parameters, and others. It also features new adventure packed mobile gaming experience powered by the powerful Qualcomm Adreno GPU. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.